beginning a definition suitable for any information security. Introduction. Information technology is the use of computer storage, networking, and other physical device. Introduction. Creating, process, store, secure, and exchange all form of electronic data. Typically, IT is used in constant business operation and operational technology used for professional or entertainment purpose. This commitment in IT encompasses both computer technology and tech communication. AM and objective. The key of AM, the ensure that system can and be widely used, subject appropriate, associate control, a key technical requirement in interpretation at the level of data exchange. Review and information technology in 1995 definition computer software hardware solution that provide support of many operation in suggestions organization. 1 year later, in the study of Sarwar and Sogen 2003 on information technology. Successful information security does not come overnight. It's continuous process of learning, revision, and updating. While every company may have a specific need, securing their data is a common goal for organization.
Now, I would like to call Aditya Jagdale from FIBSCIT to present his paper on artificial intelligence in biomedical. Over to you, Aditya.
My name is Aditya Panturan Jagdale. My topic name is Rethinking GPT-3 in Context Learning for Biomedical Information Extraction. Per phase, it's time to revisit your thoughts. The slide presents the main topic of the research paper, which is re-evaluate the effectiveness of GPT-3 in context learning for biomedical information extraction. The slide highlights the need to reconsider previous assumptions of findings about GPT-3 capabilities and its capabilities for biomedical research. Slide 2. Introduction. GPT-3 is bird size PLMS, where evaluate the biomedical information extraction task of name entity, recognize the relation extraction, fine-tuning smaller PLMs outperform GPT-3, making them more feasible and cost efficient for biomedical research and practitioner. Slide. Literature reviewer. The study used name entity recognize and relation extraction task for the evaluation of the GPT-3 in concept learning or biomedical information extraction. The true few short setting was adopted to avoid bio and model performs was quantitatively option through cross validation. Experiment. The study evaluated biomedical information extraction using all NER and RE datasets from the Burr benchmark. Fine-tune bird size PLMs is outperform GPT-3 in NER and RE tasks, achieving strong performing in NER tasks and using large-scale general domain retaining for retask. Okay, thank you.
Next, I would like to call Ankit Singh to represent the research paper on exploring the possibilities of cloud computing.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Ankit Singh from SYIT. Today's my topic is exploring the possibilities of cloud gaming and a look into the next generation of computer games. So let's begin with introduction. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Ankit Singh from SYIT. Today's my topic is exploring the possibilities of cloud gaming, a look into the next generation of computer games. Let's start with introduction. In introduction, uh, instead of relying on local server, it utilizes a cloud server to run a game with the aim of providing more accessible and cost-effective gaming experience. To play a game via cloud technology, there is no need of external device or period installation. The server handles all of that by streaming the game from a remote location, allowing you to see the interact with it on a device in real time. Let's move the next one, the process flow. Uh, in process flow, the player perform an action such as pressing a button, moving a joystick or a mouse or anything else. It's sent to the action to the cloud server over a specific network. The server and the server then execute the result in a game such as firing a weapon, jumping, or flipping a switch. For each frame of the game, the server must send the result back to the player. The customer device receives the stream and decodes into a video format that is player can see. Now let's see the advantages and disadvantages of cloud gaming. The advantages are enhanced security, reduced piracy, accessibility, and play multiple games. And the disadvantages are internet speed requirement, latency, ownership, business model, and video comparison. Now, these are the references of my research paper and my presentation. Thank you.
Next, I would like to call Kaustubh Gurau to represent the research paper topic of robotic assisted surgeries using AI.
Hello, good morning to one and all present here. My name is Kaustubh from SYBSCIT. So today's my research paper topic is robotic assisted surgeries using AI. So let's start with the introduction part. So robotic assisted surgeries has become an increasingly popular technique in recent years with the aim of improving surgical precision and reduction the risk of complications. With the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence technology, the potential of combining robotic assisted surgery with AI to enhance surgical outcomes is becoming a promising area of research. So now we let's move further to design and implementation. So as we know that robotic platform, the first point is robotic platform. The robotic platform is a core technology that enables robotic assisted surgery. The platform must be designed to enable precise, accurate, and safe movement during surgical procedures. The robotic platform must also be compatible with the AI technology that will be used to enhance its performance. So the next point is AI algorithms. As we know, AI algorithms are used to analyze the data collected during surgical procedures, providing feedback and recommendations to surgeon in real time. The AI system can also be used to plan surgical procedures in advance, providing a detailed roadmap for the surgical team to follow. The next is human machine interface. So, the human machine interface is a critical component of the design and implementation of robotic assisted surgery. It enables the surgeon to interact with the robotic platform and the AI system, providing input and receiving feedback in real time. So, let's move further to literature review. So the benefits of robotic assisted surgery using AI indicates that robotic assisted surgeries, including provide surgical precisions, reducing complication rates and faster recovery times. Additionally, AI can assist surgeon in pre-operative planning and intraoperative decision making, leading to more efficient and effective surgeries. So the types of procedures are the literature suggests the robotic assisted surgery using AI is being used in a variety of surgical procedures, including prostatectomies and hysterectomies and gastrostomy surgeries. The technology has been used for complex procedures such as head and neck surgery and liver injection. So, so we conclude that in our conclusion, robotic assisted surgery is using AI is rapidly advancing field that has the potential to revolutionize the way surgical procedures are performed. AI technology offers several benefits, including provided surgical precision, reducing complication rates, and faster recovery time. By using artificial intelligence algorithms to analyze surgical data in real time, surgeons can make more informed decisions and improve patient outcome. So, however, there are also challenges and limitations to use of AI in robotic assisted surgery, such as the need of extensive training and experience, limitations in current AI technology, and potential ethical and legal issues related to data privacy and informed consent. These challenges and limitations must be addressed through ongoing research and development in the field. So, thank you for the topic given by my author, Mr. Kuldeep Prabhu sir. Thank you.
Next, I would like to call Pooja Sargar to represent the research paper on edge computing.
Myself, Pooja Sargar, and I am presenting topic edge computing. Introduction to edge computing. Edge computing is an optimization of cloud to move the compute close to the data to the edge. It is the process of overloading computing and storage from the centralized cloud to the network local extreme. How edge computing works. Edge computing allows data from Internet of Things device to analyze of the edge of the network before being sent to the data center. Advantages: speed, security, scalability, versatility, reliability, cost-effective, faster response. Disadvantages: complex network security, edge hardware, accuracy, cost, higher maintenance cost. Applications: virtual reality, smart traffic, transportation, smart health environment, industrial automation, agriculture, online gaming, real-time big data analysis. Conclusion: we made edge computing in result time which moves the server from cloud to the devices as close as possible. The increasing number in connecting of devices raise some issues like latency and low cost problems. Edge computing is ability to solve these issues and consider the requirement of. We are grateful. Thank you.
Next, I would like to call Sai Sevakar to represent the research paper on network security and cryptography.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rajendra Patil. Today I am representing my topic, network security and cryptography. Network cryptography. Introduction. Cryptography is a term used in data communication that refer to programming the private information shared between two parts. Network security refer to securing and protecting the network and data from injuring the the confidently of data, cryptography, journally delete details with the study and practice of technology from insurance, secure communication between two parts in the difference, the three parts called advantages. Advantages, what is network security? Network security generally refer to action taken by any enterprise or organization to protect and secure its computer network and data. The meaning aim is to ensuring a confidently and exactly of the network and data. Below image to show the security model, network security model, terminology, terminology, cryptology, all inclusion terms used from the study of secure communication or non-secure channel and related program cryptography to process of designing system to release secure communication or non-secure channels. Cryptanalysis, the attempt of breaking a cryptography system. Conclusion, cryptography is practice of secure communication in the processing the third parts. Its object is to make it difficult from any airdrop to understand the communication. Cryptography is used in the varieties of application, including email, file sharing, and secure communication. The conclusion of cryptography is it a powerful tool source communication, but is not perfect. Cryptography is any important part of security, but is not the only factor of consider. Thank you.
Next, I would like to call Yash Randive to represent the research paper on ethical hacking.
Hi everyone, my name is Yashashika Randive. I am from KLE College in BSc FY BSc IT. My topic name is ethical hacking. Introduction. Ethical hacking also now as perpetrating or white hat hacking involves the simple tool techniques and determination that hacking use, but with one major difference that ethical hacking is legal. Attack on a company or organization computer system take many different for some as supporting people or other type of design of service. Document attack, their attack are designed for harm or input the use of your operation system. Objective: disable the role of an ethical hacking. Disable what you can do legal as a ethical hacking. Disable what you cannot do as an ethical hacking. Literature review. Ethical hacking is there no levels to security and enable the technological of organization. They provide an disable service to the organization by look relation that can label us to a security. There's the declared limitation are reporting to organization by an ethical hack. In addition, there provide recommendation or website in many cases with to organization pessimists permits the ethical hacking. Instead, integration revise a complete fix. Research methodology. We conducted wherein asks field question to prepare about you how much there's where of ethical hacking is widget are so belong. Do things hacking is measure or minimize programs. What type of ethical hacking now? calculation. Network testing is the most important type of ethical hacking for keeping information asset security. The top thing benefit of ethical hacking in order important are preparation or security. Protesters processed again C of internet poverty and regulator related measures. A measure of IT organization control ethical hacking on wireless network application and operations system. Their animals of more frequencies. Thank you.
Next, I would like to call Gautam Singh to represent the research paper of Green Computing Approaches and IT Implementations.
My name is Gautam Rishamani Singh. I am from KLE Society College, Kalamboli in FYBSc IT. Title name Green Computing Approach and IT Implementation. Abstract Green Computing, always known as a green technology, is the environmentally substance to use a computer and related kindly of monitor, printer, storage drive, networking, and communication system efficiently effect with last or effect on the equipment. Green company all to goal to reduce the use fixed mastery maximum energy of efficiency during the product's lifetime and provide the resistive of outdated product or factory waste. Introduction Green computing, the reading and training of the effective enrollment computing properties of properties of country during the case of not simple equipment office. However, during the addition business in current year, where in the computer product have urged to reduce the successful green in their greatest attempts together in the starting of open during the Chiefs Court in 1992 to US enrollment provide energy launch energy stay a value of a laboring program that is a plan to help an ideal energy effect in screen whereas control effects feature machinery. This result is Walnut approach and ship type of almost using electronic. Recent implementation of green computing. Blackle is a search engine site powered by Google search. Blackle come into a being based on the concept that then a computer screen white presenting a complete work or Google Home, your computer console 24B. Then the screen is black. It it concept only 59-watt based on this theory of everyone switch from Google to Blackal. Mother Earth would save 9052 MW each year. This was a really good implementation of green computing. Conclusion where the presentation along with the wideness happiest computer and growing so as well as knowledge too of the price and in in efficiency of power gen come then since the equipment required to build then a ideal position. On the other hand, as computing development can be provide person as business accept green green lifestyle and if of step in the condition of the ecological contents computing is able to comment of the trading and elements of the exchange. Thank you.
Next, I would like to call Tamanna Jangra to represent the research paper on AngularJS.
Hey, my name is Tamanna Jamla. I am here to represent the research paper on AngularJS, the newest technology to create web applications. What is AngularJS? AngularJS is a structured framework for dynamic web application. It lets you use HTML as your template language and lets you extend HTML syntax to express your application's components clearly and concise. Its data binding and dependency injection eliminate you much of the code you currently have to write. And it all happens within the browser, making it an ideal partner with an interactive technology. Components of AngularJS, MVC architecture. Model View Controller MVC is a software design pattern used for the development of web applications. It is made up of the following three parts: model, view, controller. Model is the lowest level, which is responsible for the maintaining data. View is the responsible for displaying all or a portion of data to the user. Controller controls the interactions between the model and the view. JavaScript. JavaScript is a dynamic programming language that's used for web development, in web applications, for game development, and lots of more. It allows you to implement dynamic features on web pages that cannot be done with only HTML and CSS. JavaScript is used in every industry to create all the types of applications. Conclusion. AngularJS is a structured framework for dynamic web. AngularJS provides developer options to create client-client application using JavaScript in a clean MVC way. Application written in AngularJS is a cross-browser component. AngularJS is built. AngularJS is a structured framework for dynamic web pages. AngularJS provides developer option to write client-side applications using JavaScript in a way. Thank you.
Now, I would like to request Divya Dalvi from FYBSCIT to present her paper on study of computer networking. Over to you, Divya.
Hi, I am Divya. I am Divya Dalvi. I am going to represent a research paper on a study on computer networking. A computer network, sometimes known as a data network, is a kind of telecommunication network that enables computers to communicate with one another. Data is passed between network computing devices through data links in computer networks. Computer networking refers to interconnect computing devices that can exchange data and share resources with each other. Computer networking divides in three basic types of networks: local area network, Local area network smallest is a smallest network compared to the other two networks. The metropolitan area network is a is can be a collection of a several lands within the same city. WAN, wide area network, is the largest network of all network types. Internet is the largest WAN in the world. Thank you so much. Okay.
I request Ms. Ranjana Vishwakarma to present her research paper on importance of SQL injection in DBMS.
Hello everyone, my name is Ranjana Jaydev Vishwakarma. My topic is important of SQL injection in DBMS. First of all, we introduce what is a SQL injection. SQL injection is a code injection technique that can destroy your database. It is a technique for hacker to execute malicious code. Through this code, hacker can stop the information. If we create some application password, then make sure our password is strong rather than they can fetch our information. Important SQL injection which minimize privilege, security related function on computer. In that, firewall is important because only the trusted client can be a contact. If an attacker can access your database, then the firewall protect your data against all the of attack. Parameterized query is a technique can aim to separate the SQL query from user input value. To use parameter query is a avoid SQL injection attack. How to process SQL injection? First, attacker identify the username and her password and enter malicious query by input data as a command in is a SQL is executed by database. Access to view and alter record and set a administer and then it fetch employee information through SQL injection attack. Conclusion. In today's modern era, the possibility of an SQL injection attack is highly used. Through SQL injection attack, target all the website and application. SQL injection modify, delete, and perform server shortcut. By taking benefit of the weakness in the system, developer could utilize this to scan the application. Data could be protected as well as information stored in it. Thank you for listening me.
I request Mr. Anukesh Pandey to present his research paper on e-waste and its management, a step towards green computing.
Myself, Master Anukesh Pandey from FYBSCIT, and my research topic is e-waste and its management, a step towards green computing. So let's begin. Abstract. E-waste or electronic waste has been produced in a large quantity as a result of recent urbanization trends and increased uses of electronic waste. This e-waste pollutes air, water, soil, and it is dangerous for human health as well. Therefore, it is very urgent requirement for manage this electronic waste properly. In paper, we will going to discuss about e-waste and its management and how to recycle this e-waste. Let's jump into for keywords. The keywords of this research paper is e-waste, recycling, separation, reduction, and eco-friendly. Let's go for the introduction. The use of electronic devices and gadgets had increased dramatically. Devices has raised the danger to the high power consumption, global warming, e-waste, which polluted the environment and which is not good for human health as well. Out of 44.7 million tons of e-waste is produced worldwide in 2017. In India, it is overall 2 million tons. It means it's all over 20 lakh. What is green computing? Green computing is also known as green IT. The US Environmental Protection Agency EPA began this idea in 1992. The organization introduces the Energy Star program, utilizing less energy and hazardous materials are the two main objectives of green computing. $250 billion are spent annually in this computer power global. What is e-waste? E-waste is the thrown electronic equipments. It covers both functional and non-functional. This e-waste contains very hazardous components. If it leaks in nature, it is very harmful for human, animals, as well as nature. It has an average of 2% of all solid waste. Let's go for how to manage e-waste. E-waste. E-waste management in India are follows in similar ways. It is like in urban area, the e-waste is collected, it is sorted, it is repaired, refurbished, and dismantled. However, there are different situation and advanced countries which are working on e-waste recycling. How to recycle e-waste? There are 5 main steps of recycling the e-waste. They are collection. The e-waste is collected, the garbage is collected. The garbage is collected from the collection points. It is then the garbage is stored in a dockyard. The third step is manual sorting, dismantling, and shredding. It is manually sorted. The used part is removed and it is reused. Then the fourth part is mechanical separation. Very strong power of magnet is used for this mechanical separation. The metal is separated from the metal and the plastic parts are separated, and it is further used. The mechanical part is further used for making another parts. And the last option and the last is recovery. The working part of the e-waste or any electronic gadgets is removed and it is reused, and with the help of this used part they create a new device. Thank you.